guys, and welcome to my channel. And today I have a very special guest. This is Emily, a very good friend of mine. She is from Emily & Crafts. I'll be sure to leave a link down below in case you want to see any of her super fun videos. And today we are going to be doing the Mystery Wheel of Slime Challenge. So here we have the beautiful mystery wheel, and we have all sorts of different ingredients on here, and whatever one it lands on, that is what we're going to be getting. We have all sorts of fun glitter glues, food coloring, shaving cream, foam beads. We have all What are you doing?
Nothing.
Keep going. And we're gonna have rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Got you.
She gets to go first.
Okay, ready?
Okay, ready, go. Purple food
dye.
dye.
Of course. Already, we just started.
Purple. If you guys know why she loves purple so much, be sure to let me know in the comments down below.
It's not even my favorite color. It's
Yes.
just because of an old video.
Yes, it's our YouTube.
I shall tell you.
It's our YouTube inside joke. I don't know if you guys know it, but if you do, be sure to
It's been
tell me.
mentioned in every video I'm in.
Yes.
Okay, you ready?
Do I spin over you? Or?
Yeah, just spin over me. It's fine. I'm short. It's fine. You can reach past me.
Ooh,
Rainbow beads.
Spin again.
Okay.
Purple food dye. What you got? It's okay.
Try again. White foam beads.
White
I
foam
kind of
beads.
wanted white.
Perfect.
I like white.
All right, ready? It's my turn.
If I got foam beads, I wanted white. Otherwise,
Pink food dye.
pink. You love
Beautiful.
Is pink your favorite color?
Maybe.
Blue.
Food dye.
Oh, that'll look cool with the
All
purple.
Yeah. All food dye is going away, guys.
All
I
right,
thought the blues would be the first to go.
I did too.
Because I got it.
Purple glue.
I stole the purple glue from you. I'm sorry.
I got the purple dye.
She has the purple food coloring at least. Look how pretty that is, though. Look at that.
And
I really was hoping you were gonna get it.
Shaving cream.
She's gonna have a fluffy.
Can I just put a little bit
Yes,
in?
you don't have to put as much of everything.
Because
as you
I
want.
really want to clear some.
That.
It's been really hard.
Pink glue.
Ooh, to go with your pink dye.
These are gonna look good together. I hope you get the other two blues.
I do too. I really want the other two. White pigment. I wanted
pigment.
the white pigment.
Okay, I've been adding pigment into slime recently. It has been so much fun. It looks so nice in the slime. Like it's,
Okay, so before I
so
knew
good.
about slime pigment, I've been adding eyeshadow to slimes, like
Yeah.
super sparkly eyeshadow, and I thought I created something. Then I found out, you know, pigment's eyeshadow, and people do pigment slimes, but I didn't know that. So
Yeah.
I didn't create something, but I thought it was really cool for like a month.
Pick two chunky glitter.
Ooh.
So here I have this. You may have seen this in some of my videos. I have this multicolored sprinkle glitter, and I'm gonna pick two. So
I mean, just hold it, I guess.
I think I'll get the yellow stars and the pink hearts.
Yellow food dye.
Oh,
Oh,
that
that's
dye.
this is.
I think we should just go till everything's gone. Gold glue.
Oh
No! I wish
Okay, I'm just saying. I'm just gonna take this.
Yeah, just
I
take
have
it, just
to-
take it.
So you want to roll again?
Yeah, you can. You,
Or-
you should just take that because it's.
Should I?
Yeah, just
okay.
take it.
Or all that's left in is the blue pigment.
Yeah, gold
So-
glue. Yeah, let's just.
We're
call
just
it
gonna
like
go with that so that we get half and half
Yeah,
blue and it's
perfect.
not
All right,
awkward and
Nathan,
weird.
would you please come and take the mystery wheel off the table for
Will you
us?
come be our butler or something? I don't
Perfect.
know.
Just take it off the table for us.
His cameo. It's like Stan Lee. He should start having a cameo, bro.
Yes. What's your first ingredient?
Glue.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Glue. I'm really excited, actually.
I know we kind of broke the rules and she didn't really spin for it, but I think we should. Oh, that looks so cool.
I mean, I would have just gone with one bottle
Yeah.
of glue, but it'll be nicer to have two.
By the way, these are just normal Elmer's clear glues, but we mixed in some glitter so it makes them like turn into glitter glues. So yeah.
All right.
All right, now she's gonna mix her gold. I think those are gonna look good together.
I know. I'm really excited.
Oh, that looks so cool. The video we did, that looks a lot.
Oh
like
yeah,
it.
that was so pretty.
Remember, you can add as little or as
So
much
I
of
don't
everything.
want much gold.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah. I think I'm gonna go with more of a blue slime.
Yeah,
So
just
I'm
add
just
like
gonna
the
do a
tiny-
drop.
Yeah.
And then I'll
The
also
tiny-
do a couple drops of blue. I'll start with one drop. Yes, so I'm just gonna start with a drop. So,
Yes.
so I really want to clear slime, so I'm just gonna
Yes,
go
add the
whoop,
tiniest bit.
like that. Baby, I'm cheating and just doing what I want. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Go ahead and mix in.
How much should
Let's
I?
go. As much as you want.
I'm just gonna go
That looks so cool.
stuff, and I love powder.
Whoa.
It's not like powdered glitter. It tastes cool. But
It tastes cool.
Powdered glitter,
Oh,
you know.
it is blue.
That's
so
me.
pretty.
I love powdered glitter.
All right, the very first thing I'm going to be adding is this really pretty purple glitter glue. Ooh,
That's so pretty.
It's gorgeous. All right, now we're going to do the pink next.
That's really pretty. It's cool how they like went to the bottom. It makes
Unicorn.
I just think of Dora the Explorer, and I don't know why. Because Dora is not even. Well, yeah, she is pink, isn't she?
Next, I'm gonna add a little bit of pink food coloring.
Let's see how much she adds.
Tiny bit.
Ooh, I'm excited about this. Look at
Whoa.
that.
Okay, I'm gonna start off
It
with
looks
that.
like a mermaid or something.
Yes.
I'm thinking of My Little Pony.
The stars look really good in that too.
Oh, the hearts are cool.
Yes.
I'm excited.
Oh, I'm really excited
That
about
is
this.
so pretty. I love the big things in it.
Oh, I love it.
It's
Whoa.
so- look at
Okay, now I gotta add.
paper.
Actually, yeah, I'm gonna add these on the end.
Yeah. All right, you ready to? Is it going?
Yes, yep, it's going.
You ready to activate?
I mean, I think it is. I should check. Just...
Trick your
Okay,
arm.
it's going. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and activate the.
I thought I just
Look at all the borax.
I closed my eyes. Hey, that's my
I'm
thing.
sorry,
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Look at all the borax.
Look at all the borax.
Look at all the borax. I don't know where I got that tune. It's like a Wild West
I
feel.
don't even know.
I'm so excited about this one.
I know, this looks so good. Just keep activating.
Slimes after slime. Sorry.
No, it's
Wilderness
okay.
family.
Are you okay?
I'm gonna stare at the camera awkwardly.
60-second slime challenge, go! I just sprayed everywhere. I'm sorry if I got you.
You didn't, but I can pretend you did if it'll make you feel worse about it. It's heavy.
I really like this slime. I don't think I'm gonna add very many foam beads because I
How
really
is
like
yours
it.
done already? Okay.
Alright, do you want to put our bowls on the ground? Do you want to?
I'm not ready. Oh, my scrunchie, my scrunchie.
Do you want to take it off?
Yes, please get my scrunchie off. Careful. I got it on my scrunchie. We're gonna have to
It's
fit
okay,
under
we'll wash
that.
it. It'll be okay. There, it'll be right there.
I'm gonna tell you to say that you're fine, but you're really not fine. You have to say that you're fine. Look at all the borax. I changed my tune.
You changed key. Very nice.
Wow. I want to activate.
That's so weird. What did you... I was like, what did you put in there? I wonder if you put like a deactivator in there or something.
A deactivator.
I don't know if you guys knew, fun fact, sugar deactivates slime.
Legit?
Mm-hmm.
Have you tried it yet?
I have not, but I've seen a lot of videos. Any food can like make melt it down.
Powdered sugar is what you make edible slime with. I want to
Do you need help?
I might. You need help? You have to say that you're fine, but you're really not. Just kidding, that binds in my head. This side's gonna get stuck inside you. This side. You can't have that in your. Wow.
It's okay.
What was
I'll take
that?
What?
My eyelashes just stuck together, like the top and the bottom lashes. And it was like this, because I'm like, I can't open my eye, bro.
Instant replay.
Have that in your. Wow.
It's okay.
What was
I'll take
that? I'm just kidding.
I'll put it in.
I know. With the allergies going around and stuff, it's not pretty.
So here's Emily's slime. It's beautiful.
It's really pretty. It took forever to activate.
I know, it finally activated. It's a very nice teal color. So pretty.
And it's nice and sparkly still. And I think once it's like clear, it'll be really cool with all
I
the
know,
glitter.
right? It looks super
Shall I add
cool.
my beads?
Yes, and here's your beads. You can add as much or as little as you'd like.
I'm gonna try and if I get the colored ones that are stuck in there with the ones, I just pull them out.
It's like a mountain.
My track record with beads is not pretty.
Your track record.
Do you not remember in the other video where like we had the piping bag full?
Oh yeah.
And I blew out of my nose on accident when I was putting it in my thing, and so they just went everywhere.
Yes.
That
If I
was
can find that
horrible.
clip, I'll put it right here.
I breathed into it. I missed the source question, but I'm saving it for later. Saving it for later. I thought about
Oh,
swinging.
you look, you got some on there. Beautiful. Don't.
I had my finger on the trigger. I was ready.
She was ready. She was gonna do it. So here's my slime. Very nice glitter.
I love the
Beautiful.
light purple color.
Yes.
Ooh, listen to that crunch.
All right, now I'm gonna add some of these rainbow foam beads into here. See if I can make us less mess.
Why do you have to be so good at this?
Okay, ready?
You lost bits of form right here.
Oopsies.
Boop.
Go back to your family.
That looks so
That
cool.
looks really cool though.
It's like, I don't know, birthday party slime.
Yes, birthday
That's
party.
what it makes me think of. Oh, that's a cool
Guys,
one.
they look like Dippin' Dots. Have you ever had Dippin'
Yes, Dippin'
Comment down
Dots, I'm
below.
gonna eat them.
Comment down below if you've ever had Dippin' Dots. Oh, that crunch though made it like 100 times more crunchy.
Beautiful. We had too many conversations.
If I move my fingers, it's gonna pop. Okay, wait, it
Why are
already
you
popped.
so good at... You play with slime way more
Years
than I
and
do.
years of practice. Just kidding. Not years and years. Actually, like
Yeah,
years.
yeah, years and years. Honestly. Mine are smaller. Yours are fabulous. Yours are gorgeous.
Wait, what?
Sorry, frozen mine.
I didn't hear what you said.
Fine. How are we doing this?
I'm just gonna stretch it out like this.
Are you smiling? Is this like right thumbnail?
No, it's just for fun.
Alright.
Alright guys, that was so much fun. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And don't forget to check out Emily's channel where we do a bunch of other fun slime challenges. I'll have the link right up here and I'll also have it in the description box down below. We hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye!